Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share something powerful and life-changing, the idea of mastering a skill in just 30 days. Imagine what you could achieve if you could focus on any skill for a single month and make remarkable progress toward mastery. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, the truth is, with the right approach, dedication, and mindset, it's absolutely possible. Let's dive into a simple, actionable plan that you can use to master any skill in just 30 days. Step 1. Define your goal clearly. The first step to mastering a skill is clarity. Ask yourself, what exactly do I want to achieve? Vague goals like, I want to be good at playing the guitar, or I want to learn graphic design won't work. Instead, set a specific goal. For example, I want to play 3 songs on the guitar fluently, or I want to design a professional quality logo. When your goal is clear and specific, it becomes tangible. Write it down. Make it visible. A clear goal provides direction and keeps you focused throughout the month. Step 2. Break it down into micro skills. Every skill, no matter how complex, is made up of smaller components. For instance, if you want to learn public speaking, you might break it down into micro skills such as body language, voice modulation, structuring a speech, and managing stage fright. By focusing on these micro skills individually, you can make progress faster and more effectively. Take some time to identify the key components of your chosen skill. Then, allocate time for each micro skill during your 30 days. This structured approach will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and ensure steady progress. Step 3. Set a daily practice schedule. Consistency is the backbone of skill mastery. Dedicate a specific time each day to practice. It doesn't have to be hours. Even 30 to 60 minutes of focused practice can yield impressive results. The key is to practice daily without fail. To make your practice sessions more effective, use the Pomodoro technique. Work intensely for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. This keeps your focus sharp and prevents burnout. Step 4. Use the power of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that enhances learning and performance. Before you start practicing, take a moment to visualize yourself successfully performing the skill. If you're learning to play tennis, imagine yourself hitting the ball with precision and confidence. Visualization not only boosts your confidence, but also primes your brain for success. Step 5. Seek expert guidance. Learning from someone who has already mastered the skill can save you a lot of time and effort. This could be a mentor, a teacher, or even an online course. Expert guidance helps you avoid common mistakes and provides valuable insights that accelerate your learning process. Don't hesitate to invest in resources or tools that can enhance your practice. For example, if you're learning photography, a good online course or a guidebook can make a world of difference. Step 6. Embrace deliberate practice. Not all practice is created equal. Deliberate practice involves focusing on specific areas of improvement and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Let's say you're learning a language. Instead of just memorizing vocabulary, challenge yourself to have conversations with native speakers or write a short essay every day. Deliberate practice is uncomfortable, but it's where real growth happens. Step 7. Track your progress. To stay motivated and on track, measure your progress regularly. Use a journal, an app, or a simple checklist to record your daily efforts and achievements. Reflect on what's working and what's not. Adjust your approach as needed to stay aligned with your goal. For instance, if you're mastering time management, track how effectively you're allocating your hours each day. Small wins, like completing tasks ahead of schedule, will build momentum and keep you motivated. Step 8. Stay accountable. Accountability is a powerful motivator. Share your goal with a friend, family member, or mentor who can hold you accountable. Better yet, find a practice buddy who's working on a similar skill. You can encourage each other, share tips, and celebrate milestones together. Alternatively, consider sharing your journey on social media or a blog. Publicly committing to your goal creates an added layer of accountability and keeps you motivated to stick with it. Step 9. Embrace the learning process. Mastering a skill in 30 days isn't about achieving perfection. It's about making significant progress and laying a strong foundation. Along the way, you'll encounter challenges, mistakes, and moments of doubt. Embrace them as part of the learning process. Every mistake is a step closer to mastery. Cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can improve with effort and practice. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remind yourself of the bigger picture. Step 10. Reward yourself. Incentives work wonders for motivation. Set up a reward system for yourself. For example, treat yourself to something special after completing a week of consistent practice. These rewards reinforce positive behavior and make the journey enjoyable. Real-life example. The 30-day skill mastery plan in action. Let me share a real-life example of how this plan can work. Imagine you want to learn basic coding in 30 days. Here's how you could structure your journey. Week 1. Learn the fundamentals of a programming language, such as Python, including syntax and basic commands. Week 2. Focus on writing simple programs and understanding core concepts like loops and conditionals. Week 3. Work on small projects, such as creating a calculator or a to-do list app. Week 4. Refine your skills, debug your projects, and explore advanced topics like functions and modules. By the end of 30 days, you won't be a coding expert, but you'll have a solid foundation to build upon and the confidence to tackle more complex challenges. Mastering a skill in 30 days is not just a possibility. It's a powerful strategy to transform your life one step at a time. The key is to start with a clear goal, break it down into manageable parts, and practice consistently with focus and determination. Remember, the journey of skill mastery is as rewarding as the destination. With each new skill you master, you gain not only knowledge and capability, but also confidence and a sense of accomplishment. So, what skill will you choose to master in the next 30 days? The clock is ticking and the opportunity is waiting. Start today, stay committed, and witness the incredible transformation that's possible in just 1 month. Thank you, and here's to your journey of mastering skills and achieving greatness.